It's beach day! Hey, that's my soda! So anyway, just what are you doing? Oh, finding buried treasure! Snake eyes! Wait a minute, I know whose eyes those are. Let's put you back together. Uh-oh, someone needs to go. And forgot to bring some TP. Don't worry, help is on the way. It's a monkey holder, and he's got tissues. Aw, he likes to give big hugs. And kiss that runny nose goodbye. Time for a stroll. Ouch! What happened to your shoes? Well, we've got the next best thing. Foot pads. Or as I like to call them, the soul patch. Okay, let's get to stepping. Still, just because you can step on something doesn't mean you should. Uh-oh, we need to keep hydrated. Oh, great, a lemonade stand. Got any money? Guess treasure loves getting buried. Well, maybe a magnet can help.
Wow!
Add some to your shoes. And the treasure comes to you.
Wow.
With all this money, we can buy the whole stand. What the? Wow, that is one strong magnet. Ooh, fruit. It's looking like lunchtime. Oh, I guess it didn't agree with you. Well, this bucket should help with that. Yeah, keep your berries on a bunch. You hear something? Oh no! This privy's about to get a lot less private. So make sure to cover up. Looks like someone's still hungry. Ooh, watermelon. Wait, don't let it hit the ground. It's okay. Maybe we can use the shell. Gotta be food around here. Aha! Sausages! Add some foil on top of the shell. Now let's add some charcoal. And run some skewers up on top. Let's light up those links. Make sure to close up that melon. They should be done soon. Ooh, I see your mouth watering. Heels aren't really the best thing for hikes. But they're great for making an entrance. Maybe these shoes just need some help. Like tennis balls to round them out. Try them on and take them out for a stroll. Lake time! Ouch! The bottom's all rocks! Well, that won't spoil our fun. Maybe you should hold your breath. And let this blow dryer do the work for you. Aha! Your unicorn is lake day ready. In 3, 2, 1, and we're floating on air! Or water, as the case may be. never knew the Tin Man liked bird watching. Look at all those eggs. Ah, watch out!
Ow!
Let's put that foil hat to better use. A makeshift frying pan. So, let's crack some eggs. Never can have enough melons.
Oh!
Not exactly a buyer's market, is it? But maybe we can get a free sample, thanks to our handy Melon Tap. We get a cup of watermelon juice. But don't worry, you keep the rind. Oh no, your hat! Oh, but your shoes! But your hat! Got anything that can help? Ooh, waterproof shoe covers. Well, let's try them out. Your shoes stay clean underneath. And your hat's coming home. Ooh, chicken! Out of the frying pan and into your hands? You know, hands are kind of overrated. What you need is some tough claws. Schnick, schnick. Now enjoy that chicken. But save some for me, please. Ah, the beach. Who wants to look for buried treasure? Oh, could there be gold in here? Oh, I guess not. Oh no! Your lollipop is all ruined! Hey, I said it's all ruined! Don't worry. Grandma's got just the thing to help. Your new little buddy will hold that sucker for you. That's funny. The news didn't say anything about rain today. Luckily, Granny has another little friend to help. For a bunch of bubbles, just press the button. See? That should give you a second wind. Wind? Rain? Wow, sure is some weird weather today. Looks like he's not running out of bubbles anytime soon. Ah, the great outdoors. Where's the restroom? I guess everywhere's the restroom out here. But I guess we can at least spring for a seat. Good start, but we should probably add a hole. Let's add a bag, too. Animals live here, too, you know. Now sit back, relax, and drop those tomatoes. Just don't forget to bring some TP. You know, there's always time for some good dental hygiene. Careful, that toothpaste doesn't grow on trees. And this stuff is good to the last drop. Still, that's a pretty weird place to put the dispenser. Dolly here will show you how much toothpaste you really need. Someone's getting hungry. And that little girl, too. With this egg cooker, you can have breakfast anytime. Just crack one of those bad boys inside. Oh, I thought I smelled sausages. Just add a stick and toss it in. Food always tastes better on a stick. Hey, be nice. Or Nana won't say where she hid the cookies. Let's hope this buried treasure is better than the last one. Oh, it's a ducky snowball maker. But we're on the beach. So, let's make sand duckies instead. Don't worry, there's more where they came from. Enough for a whole ducky family. Even Nana can have a ducky. Or duckies. Just one sausage? Quick, check your hair again. Well, I guess you could just split it. And here's just the thing to help. Remove one dog and lay down another. And enjoy your bite-sized pieces. Some jelly will go great on these waffles. Something tells me those bees don't want flowers. Run! Let's hope this mosquito tent works on more than just mosquitoes. Now you can enjoy your waffles in peace. I wouldn't open that if I were you. Oh no! Looks like this bee's been bulking up! Don't worry, he's about to meet a real queen bee. Come on, let's show this drone who's boss. Oh, a wrap! You know what would make it taste better? If it actually got inside your mouth. At least, try to keep everything in one place. Look, this seat even holds your drink for you. Brilliant! Don't worry, it catches anything that falls out. Let's just hope you don't drop it all over again. Time for a good night's sleep under the stars. Nah, don't be scared. It's probably just a bear. Oh, wait. Nah, it's okay. Maybe it just wants porridge or honey. Well, Grandma's not waking up anytime soon. But maybe one of her gadgets can save us. Yes, a flashlight! And this one's a projector. Nothing's gonna bother us with a whole zoo in our corner. And just the thing before a good night's sleep. Oh, where's a lifeguard when you need him? Or, even better, quick! Get Grandma! Hurry! Wow, this grabber can pick up all sorts of things. Especially ones you don't want to touch by hand. Or anything that's just out of reach. It's also great for those covert operations. Quick, eat it and hide the evidence. It's so bright. Can someone turn off the sun? Oh, wait, it's just Nana's grill. Don't worry, just take some plastic. And mold it up into brand new sunglasses. Hey, keep your feet to yourself. This is so out of character for Nana. Oh, she got sand all over. Good thing we've brought a backup. The sides are like little hidden pockets. 4 corners for all our stuff. And we're saving the best for last. It's a little cleaning and drying station before stepping on the towel. Now enjoy your day at the beach. Oh, it's windy and kind of chilly too. Don't worry, it's time for Nana's redemption arc. Yeah, that's a thing. And she's brought her handy-dandy stretch film! Just sit back and pretend you're Cleopatra. Don't forget air holes, or just stop at the neck. Take out some scissors and cut along the middle. You've got a brand new jacket. And a hat. Sadly, it's time to go home. Let's grab all your things. Oh, you left your toy in the sand. Ouch! Just be happy it's just sand and not a pebble beach. You could put your shoes back on, or turn this Pop-It toy into a new pair of flip-flops. Yeah, we like to have fun around here. Well, if the shoe fits, wear it. And grab that toy. And not just that mermaid. There's always time for ice cream. Oh, don't cry. There's more popsicles where that came from. All you need is juice and a few trusty molds. Just stick it in an ice-filled cooler. Wow, that was quick. Here, try this one. Just think of all the flavors you can whip up. Yeah, I'm starting to see the family resemblance. Okay, who keeps giving her coffee? Here, this hair provides plenty of shade. Right, so when are your parents picking you up? Beach-mazing stuff. Catch you next time.